This fight is mine.
But if I could just...
Take Atreus and the mask and do not look back. My son trusts you, so I trust you.
Get away from her!
Dad, wait!
I am done with you and your son! No more fucking games! And this time, I'm allowed to kill you. We do not need to do this! We do! It's what we are! That's it?
Thor, the lad needs to think you've changed. Prove it and stop them.
Talking's over! Fighting time! Won't be enough! I can take it! Can you?
You're what the All-Father made you. You can choose to...
You all!
Go on, think for yourself for once. Your family's falling apart.
Don't act like you know! You attack my daughter! No! I did not... You bring this to my home! To my family! If this is it, you'll die first! Then you're king! One of us dies again!
Thor, this isn't what food...
Keep her name out of your damn mouth! Everything was fine before Loki showed up! He almost convinced me! Had me believing things could change! Thor, listen to me! You have nothing I want to hear! Odin does not have... Shut the fuck up! Come on! fuck are you waiting for?
Your daughter. My son calls her friend.
If you try to hurt her...
I would not.
Don't you know what I've done?
Yes! But what will you do now?
We don't change. Or destroy us.
No more. No more. For the sake of our children, we must be better.